fasten your seatbelts as we shortly touch down in one of the fastest growing city in North India. Mohali, part of Chandigarh, Panchkula and Mohali Unified Hub, Mohali is witnessing a boom with rapid infrastructure and business investments. Welcome to Mohali Hills. Mohali Hills by Emaar is one of the largest real estate projects in New Mohali town. Many advantages accrue to this project, from connectivity to important centers to social life in neighboring suburbs and academic institutes, all within driving distance. Mohali Hills is a well-planned, uncluttered, integrated township conceptualized around large green and landscaped areas. The township is self-sustainable and a mixed-use development comprising of retail, commercial along with residential units. Mohali Hills comprises of spacious and luxurious villas, independent floors, row houses, plots and apartments built amidst clean and green surrounding. Mohali Hills, a close-knit community of like-minded people, a neighborhood full of happiness. The views, premium ready-to-move-in apartments at multi-story tower blocks with a range of amenities for the discerning families who prefer apartment-styled living. For families looking to break free from crowded and polluted cities and yet want the best of all worlds, set amidst nature and yet close to the hustle bustle of the city, Mohali Hills is where smart and forward-looking families are moving to. Emaar is a pioneer in mega projects worldwide and has vast experience in building well-planned integrated townships across the world. In India, we have presence across 8 cities and thousands of families who live and enjoy the true Emaar lifestyle.